adding in images and videos to your blog post. Now, you don't use images and videos for decorative purposes. They should only be implemented into the content to demonstrate something that you're talking about. So for example, I have a how-to vlog with an iPhone minimalist setup guide. And so what I went ahead and did is said, we're not going to be doing this, making an overly complicated rig. Now, from a technical perspective, how do you get the video to show up? So let me back out of this, remove that video. Okay, so let me enter in a new space. So now we have a little space right here. So if you're on YouTube, all you have to do is go over here to click on share. You can click on this URL right there, copy that. Then you can paste that in right there and it should pop up. It'll also work if you use this URL up top here as well, okay? And literally just copy and paste it in, done. And that's it. So I don't like to have the image or the video off to the right, then text paragraph off to the, no. I like to have it in a single column design, video front and center like this. So let's continue down over here. And now we have a bunch of different images. Now, how is this being used? So for example, I said record everything at 60 FPS or 30 FPS, 4K for best video quality. You need an image to show what you're talking about. So like this, the iPhone settings over here to explain to the end user who's reading this, what I'm talking about within your iPhone. And there you go. So I would really keep it that simple. And I like to use images that are like full size, like take up their own space. So you have the title right there, image, then the text. I don't like to do like text off to the left, image, or vice versa where text over here, image. No, I don't like to do that. Image is on its own frame right here, its own section, whatever you want to call it. Now, another little thing I like to do as well is if you have like a white image like this, what I like to do is click on the image, click over here for styles, and then I like to give it a border, just a border of 1, just to kind of frame it a little bit better, because that looks nice. That looks a lot better, a lot easier to read for the end user, and instead of it being like this. This looks a little weird, unprofessional, not done correctly, okay? And there you go. So all images on my sites, again, are added for demonstrative purposes. Like I'm talking about use Luma Fusion on iPad, say that 3 times fast. So I'm having an image of Luma Fusion to demonstrate what I'm talking about. Same with the frame rates for the iPhone, same with the video up top here saying, hey, I'm not going to be talking about how to create some overly complicated rig setup. Now to add in images is quite simple as well. You just click over here for the block, click on the plus sign, then you should have a block that says images, and lots of CMSs are all kind of the same. So you just select the image that you want to add in. If you have generative AI to generate an image, you can do that as well, or you can just upload from your desktop. Anyways, that should be your approach to images and videos for your blog posts. They should be used to demonstrate what you're talking about, not for demonstrative purposes.